Right in the center is a golden finch with the biggest feeder. It's on the back side. It's looking out a little bit. His mate is actually here as well. There's two of them. Can't really tell who's who until they're both here together, because the male is yellow. It's so bright. But they just found this feeder about an hour ago, and they've come to it 2 or 3 times. I don't know where his girlfriend is. She should show up any minute. I also put some hummingbird feeders up this morning, and I've already had a couple visitors. But I think I'm on the tail end of their territory. And they only come about once an hour. Well, more to come later on.